Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So this is just a quick notification to say that I am doing a craft along. Now this is my very first craft along in association with craftworld.com, and it's with my brand Simply Made Crafts, and it's going to be this loaf tin, and there is a stamp set and a die set that is bundled together with this, and it's at a special purchase price. Let me just get that up for you because I've forgotten. It is $17.99, and I think it's been reduced down a little bit further, so I will leave the link for that down in the description box. Now the closing date to buy this kit and get it arrived in time for the craft along is tomorrow, so it's the 10th today, so it closes on the 11th of August, and that should give enough time for all the kits to go out. And we're going to be making this picnic basket here using the loaf tin, and so you're going to be needing a scoreboard so that we can make the lid. This just comes up like that. It's just so cute. If you can imagine what sort of presents that you can put in here, biscuits, food items, all that kind of stuff. It's all, you know, the stuff that I actually really like to do. I love to dress up food presents and things like that. So I'm having trouble talking at the moment because it is really hot. It's 31 degrees in my room at the moment. 31 degrees, and that is 87 Fahrenheit. Anyways, back to this. This is the lovely loaf tin that we're going to be using to make into a picnic basket. So it's perfect for baby presents, picnic themes. You can put some scones in here. You can theme it to whatever you want. So it will be a private Zoom call. So I would have everyone linked to me from this desk here, and so it will literally be face to face, so you literally get 90 minutes with me, and all you have to do is buy the kit there for $17.99, which it has been reduced, so all the details for that will be down below. And if there's anything else that I've forgotten to say because my brains are fried, I will make sure that I will put that down in the description box down below. So I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to make a Christmas version. That's going to be so nice as well. So in the link below, it will also tell you that you're going to be needing a large format die cutting machine, because this is a rather large die. Here it is here. It is a rather large die, so it's going to need an A4 machine to cut that out. You're going to be needing at least 220 GSM. I've actually done a double layer on this loaf tin here just to make it super strong. And what else you're going to be needing? A scoreboard and some inks. As you can see with the stamp pad here, I've used the leaf from there, and there's some flowers as well that you can do. You can get really creative, and I've used the bow here. That is this funny shaped die there. And if there's anything else that I've missed, I will put it down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box. Not the description box, the comments section. And I think everything's been said now, so I'm hoping you all really enjoy this and want to join in and everything. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.